Intestinal obstruction. Intestinal obstruction. Types classification I, depending on etiology. A. Dynamic. B. Adynamic. Dynamic. Outside the wall. Hernia, 25% adhesions, 40% volvulus. Intussusception. In the wall. Tuberculous stricture, Crohn's disease malignancy. In the lumen. Gallstones, roundworm, inspissated feces, Meconium ileus. Adynamic. Cessation of peristalsis postoperative period. Electrolyte imbalance, spinal injuries, uremia. Diabetes mellitus, retroperitoneal, hematomas and surgeries. Renal surgeries, mesenteric ischemia. Pseudo-obstruction. Classification 2, depending on type of obstruction. 1. Acute, common in small bowel. 2. Chronic. 3. Acute on chronic, common in large bowel. 4. Closed loop obstruction. Classification 3, depending on site of obstruction. Proximal small bowel. Distal small bowel. Large bowel. Site of obstruction. Duodenum and jejunum. Ileum. Anywhere in large intestine. Causes. Congenital lipomas, leiomyomas, malignancy, bands and adhesions. Tuberculosis strictures, malignancy, Crohn's, gallstones, hernias. Common cause, roundworm, congenital. Malignancy, tuberculosis stricture, anorectal malformation, volvulus, congenital, megacolon bands. Clinical features. Severe vomiting, dehydration, no or less distension, colicky pain. Central, distension, vomiting, dehydration, central. Abdominal pain. Constipation, distension, early. Late vomiting, less pain. Plain X-ray. Valvular connivance. Characterless central fluid level. Dilatation and hostration. Classification IV congenital. Anorectal malformations, congenital megacolon. Adhesions, duodenal atresia. Intestinal atresia, ileal, bands and adhesions. Malrotation, volvulus neonatorum. Acquired. Hernia, commonest, postoperative intussusception, roundworm, gallstones. Tuberculosis, malignancy. Internal hernias. Bolus obstruction, XX worms, XX gallstones, XX trichobezoars, XX phytobezoars. Meconium pellets, XX foreign body, XX food bolus, XX sticulates. Intestinal obstruction still is a challenging, commonly acute condition in surgical practice. Adhesions are becoming the more common cause of intestinal obstruction than hernia nowadays. Common causes for adhesions are gynecologic surgeries, appendectomy, colonic and pelvic surgeries. 20% cases of intestinal obstruction are due to malignancy or its peritoneal carcinomatosis spread. More than 50% of intestinal obstruction in Western countries are due to adhesions, 20% due to malignancies, 10 to 15% due to hernias. Crohn's disease is also becoming a common cause of obstruction. Note: adhesions and hernias are most common causes of intestinal obstruction. Depending on degree of block, intestinal obstruction can be complete, partial or partial circumferential. Subacute obstruction implies incomplete obstruction. Depending on the vascular compromise, it can be simple obstruction with intact blood supply or strangulated with compromised blood supply. 80% of intestinal obstruction is in small bowel. 80% of small bowel obstructions are due to benign cause. 70 to 80% of large intestine obstruction is due to malignancy, others being volvulus and tuberculosis. Dynamic obstruction. It is mechanical blockage of normal propulsion and passage of intestinal contents. Obstruction may be external, internal, partial, incomplete or subacute, complete, acute, acute on chronic, or chronic, simple, closed loop, strangulation, congenital, acquired, proximal, distal. Earlier, hernia was the commonest cause of intestinal obstruction. Now adhesions, 40%, are the commonest cause, especially in developed countries, and hernia being 15 to 25%. Common. In developing countries, both adhesions and hernia are the common causes of intestinal obstruction. Acquired. Hernia, commonest, postoperative. Adhesions commonly cause small bowel obstruction than large bowel. 80% of intestinal obstruction occurs in small bowel, 20% in colon, 70% of colonic obstruction is due to malignancy. Other 30% is due to volvulus, diverticulitis, inflammatory cause like tuberculosis, etc. Mortality is 3% in obstruction without strangulation, 30% in obstruction with strangulation. Recurrent obstruction is more common in adhesions. Pathology and pathogenesis. Changes proximal to the bowel obstruction. Intestinal obstruction, down pointing arrow. Increased peristalsis, down pointing arrow. Becomes vigorous, down pointing arrow. Obstruction not relieved, down pointing arrow. Peristalsis ceases, down pointing arrow. Flaccid, paralyzed, dilated bowel. Fluid collects just proximal to the obstruction, which is derived from saliva, stomach, pancreas and intestine. Because of edema and inflammation, absorption decreases. Sequestration of fluid from the circulation into the lumen occurs in bacteria, E. coli, Klebsiella, anaerobes, bacteroids and other organisms multiply, toxins are released, tochemia occurs. This leads to severe dehydration, electrolyte imbalance. Proximal to the collected fluid, air accumulates, derived from swallowed air, 70%, diffusion from blood into the lumen, 20%, from digested product and bacterial action, 10%, in which main component is nitrogen, 90%, and also hydrogen sulfide. During vigorous peristalsis, air enters the distal fluid, results in churning, is the reason to cause multiple air fluid levels in plain X-ray abdomen. Defective absorption, decreased fluid intake, loss of fluid by vomiting, sequestration of fluid into the bowel lumen, leads into severe dehydration, fluid and electrolyte imbalance. Inflammatory response in the bowel wall, intramural inflammation, causes accumulation of activated neutrophils and macrophages in the muscle wall, which release reactive enzymes and cytokines. These substances damage secretory and motor process of muscle, leading into dilatation of the bowel. Increased release of nitric oxide in muscle wall and production of intramural reactive oxygen metabolites alter gut motility and permeability. Intestinal wall hypoxia is also the cause for dilatation. In first 12 hours of obstruction, there is only decreased absorption which causes accumulation of fluid and electrolytes in the lumen. 3/4. After 12 hours, there is also increased intestinal secretion